And there's our signal. They were going to take those two cars.
What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm excited to show you guys a epic track battle, an Integra GSR and a Honda Prelude. Now, in case you guys don't know, in the 90s, the Honda wars was real. You had the Honda Prelude, you had the Civic, the EKs, you had the Integra GSR. Those were all top contenders. Of course, the top of the heap, the Integra Type R, would beat all of those cars. EK9 Type R, a Japan-only car, would do very well as well. But in today's video, we're going to see if the GSR or the Prelude were better cars. Driving the Integra GSR is Blair Deffenbaugh, and he's got a little bit, I think, more experience than I do. He's got some wheel-to-wheel racing experience in a different Integra. I don't know what modifications that Integra had, but he's a pretty decent driver, so he does give me a run for his money. I do try my best to keep up with him, so you'll see me keeping up with him, and it was super fun for me. I hope it was fun for Blair, and we had a great time. I hope to see him out there again. So to level set in this track battle, let's talk about the modifications that we have on each of the cars. So my Prelude has very old KYB shocks on IBAC ground control coilovers. They're very inexpensive, the cheapest way you can get coilovers. And I also have some SPC ball mounts for that extra camber in order to fit some decent rubber. And if you look at the Integra, it's got minimal, if any, modifications. It does have better tires, better wheels. I know the brake pads have been upgraded, but I'm not sure what else it has. So this is a decent showing. In all aspects, I think the Integra should be a little bit faster. It's a lighter car. It's got a screamer of an engine. The H22A does have more torque. So it's basically a driver's race at this point. At the end of the race, I'll show you guys the times that we both had. It's very close. It goes to show you how close both cars were in performance. Alright guys, if you have any questions, be sure to put it down below. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I do appreciate you guys when you do that. Leave a like. Let's see what we can do.